Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can download fonts to CapCut. So to get started, launch open CapCut app on your device. Once you're on the app, click on the new project, add your project and click on the text option. Here, write down the text you want. Here you can see many different styles or fonts you want to add. Suppose I would like to add this font to the photo. You can see the download option at the top of the font. So this is how easily you can download fonts to CapCut. This is the easiest method to download fonts to CapCut. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.